In this video, I will explain how to find the equation of a line given the slope and a point that the line passes through. So I have two examples for us to work through here. Let's check out this first example. It says write the equation of a line that has a slope of 4 and passes through the point 3, 7. Now, when we're given the slope of a line and we're given the point that it passes through, the easiest way to write the equation of that line is in this form: y equals mx plus b. This is known as slope-intercept form because m represents the slope of the line and b represents the y-intercept. So we're told that the slope is 4. So what we can write is y equals 4x plus b. So we just plugged in a 4 for the m. Now all we have to do is figure out what is b. And the way that we do that is we plug in a 3 for the x value in the equation, and we plug in a 7 for the y value in the equation. So let's go ahead and do that. So we'll say 7 is equal to 4 times 3 plus b. So we get 7 is equal to 4 times 3 is 12 plus b. To solve for b, we can subtract a 12 from both sides. So 7 minus 12 is negative 5. And that's equal to, over here, the 12s cancel out and we're just left with b. So b is equal to negative 5. So our final equation is going to be y is equal to 4x minus 5. So this is the equation of the line that has a slope of 4 and passes through the point 3, 7. All right, let's check out example number 2 now. It says, write the equation of a line that has a slope of negative 1/3 and passes through the point 6, negative 1. So once again, we're going to write this equation in y equals mx plus b form. And we're told the slope of the line is negative 1/3. So m must be negative 1/3. So we can go ahead and write y is equal to negative 1/3 x plus b. And now once again, we just had to figure out what is b. So to do that, we're going to use this point that we're given. We're going to plug in a 6 for our x value and a negative 1 for our y value. So we get negative 1 is equal to negative 1/3 times, remember we're plugging in a 6 for our x value, plus b. Now when we have negative 1/3 times 6, another way to think about that is negative 1/3 times 6 over 1, because 6 over 1 is the same as 6. So to multiply these two fractions, we can multiply the values in the numerator straight across. So negative 1 times 6, that's negative 6. And in the denominator, we have 3 times 1. So we get negative 6 divided by 3, that's negative 2. So what we have over here is negative 1 is equal to, this becomes negative 2 plus b. To solve for b, we just need to add a 2 to each side. So negative 1 plus 2, that's a positive 1, is equal to, these 2's cancel out, we're just left with b. So b is equal to 1. So our final equation is going to be y is equal to negative 1/3 x plus 1. So this is the equation of the line that has a slope of negative 1/3 and passes through the point 6, negative 1.